This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. When you are a student, did you know or did you assume or did you have an idea of the future, like how wide the profession can get? Because you're telling about 92, 93 and now we are in 2021 where there's a huge gamut of opportunities for CS. So what were your thinking about the future of CS when you were a student?
When I was a student, it was like a canvas, an open canvas with a small paint and with a small brush. And my uncle used to tell that this profession is going to grow so big and you should join. So he told me, look, this is a canvas, take the paint, take the brush, you can paint the entire canvas. In other words, when I joined as a student, when I saw there was only few recognitions, few aspects of employment, but the moment you entered into or swam across all the laws, acts, rules, regulation during those days, I felt that I know everything under the sun. I was too confident that yes, there is a big opportunity, not necessarily only in company law, a big opportunities, because we also happen to study Code of Civil Procedure, you happen to study Indian Evidence Act, you happen to study Criminal Procedure Code, Consumer Protection Act, you and accounts, finance. So you know that you are going to do a very good career in future. So I felt that the moment I started studying from my, now it is called as executive, but during my time it was called as intermediate. So during the intermediate, when I used to study, I used to find that the knowledge, the material what was provided was in fact referred by the professionals who are in employment. So therefore I had to believe that yes, this has got a great potential and opportunities, as my uncle had also echoed. And yes, with maturity growing, I felt that yes, we can do a big, it is a big future which is going to create, and where it is in our hands how we should paint this picture as to how we can project ourselves, make our future as a company secretary.
Sir, now you told us about your student days and about how your uncle told this profession is going to go to the next level. So can you tell a little bit about your early days when you started to work? How was your early corporate days?
My early days, I remember it was too hectic. I used to get up around, I used to in fact rather get up, I used to say that I used to catch 5:52 train, study, and then join the law college in New Law College, where the college used to start at 7:30. Then 9 o'clock I had a special permission from my principal to go early, because I coming from a middle class background, I felt that I should also work somewhere to support for my family. I was with Godrej Foods in Mumbai, and in being in a Godrej group of companies, it was an elite for joining such a big companies. So I used to work over there and used to get a huge knowledge from my seniors, from my colleagues who were working with me during those particular point of time. Corporate life was totally different than your academic life. Practical life, practical exposure are completely different than that of just routine. The only important thing is understand the concept. So while applying, use those concepts, your issues, problems will get resolved.
Yes, sir.